There is a war going on. Light against darkness, good versus evil, bad versus good things, right? Well, today we are going to talk about the war in your head. Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are having a great day and a great week. So today we are going to discuss the fact that there is a war going in your head, you versus you. Let's get started. The person that is holding you back, the person that is bringing you down, well, that person is you. The person that is making you lose is you. Are you gonna say that you're gonna do something, you wanna do something, and just do it for straight 2 weeks and then quit? Like you did last year, or like you did the year before last, or even before that, right? You've been doing that and you've been quitting. Well, make a declaration to yourself that you are going to do it. Declare all out war that you are going to do it. There ain't no one stopping you now. Decide today that you are no longer going to repeat this mess. You are going to clear this. You are no longer going to tolerate losing. You are going to win. Believe in yourself. You can do it, and there ain't no one stopping you right now. Your life is a movie, right? And it is started. There's no stopping it. You cannot stop your life. So go on. Think about it. What would the hero of your movie do right now? Do that thing that you think that the hero would do right now. Do that. Decide now that you are not going to tolerate losing again and again, and believe me, you can do it, and you will do it. Just trust yourself, just believe in yourself. Every time you wake up, it's a new day, a new week, a new shot at life. And I will do it today. I can do it today, and I am going to win today. I am not going to stop today until I am really ready. Tell me, just mention one thing that you got in your life that is so amazing, so great, that you got in your life, that is the result of being comfortable, that is the result of being in the state of comfort. Just one thing. Mention one thing that you got by being in the state of comfort. Mention one thing. I'm waiting, right? You can't mention anything. You can't mention anything amazing that you got in the state of being comfort. Because there isn't anything that you can achieve by being comfortable. You have to step out. All the successful people that you look up to, that are amazing in your point of view, their success, is it the result of being comfortable? No, never. Everyone paved their way to their destination where they are right now. They are even working hard right now. They worked hard, they worked very hard, didn't they? Just tell me one person who is really successful today. Well, they didn't work hard. Mention one person. You couldn't mention one thing that you got by being in the state of comfort. You couldn't mention one person who got something by being comfortable, because you cannot achieve anything by being comfortable. You have to really get out, step out, work hard, right? You just have to work hard a little more, step out a little more, get out of your comfort zone. People who do stuff constantly and on time really do surpass people who are talented or gifted, as they say, as they mention it, right? They really do surpass them. You just believe in yourself a little more. Trust the process, never rush the process. Work hard a little more. You can do it. Just believe in yourself. Just make that mentality that you can do it. Headstrong, mentally tough. You can do it, and you will do it. There isn't anything that's impossible to you, to anyone. Everyone can do it, and you will do it, and you'll just show the world, well, I did it. Why couldn't you? Winners and spectators. What makes them a winner? What's the difference between winners and spectators? Difference? Well, listen. The winners have a belief that the crowd disagree on. Think about it. Isn't that right? The winners have a belief that the crowd disagree on. Winners fail a million times, they fall a million times. What makes them a winner, you may ask? Well, they really believe in it. They have no excuses. They think, they have a mentality that they will do it and ain't no one stopping them. In no one's opinion stopping them. They will do it. They will do it headstrong, mentally tough. They can do it. So can you, right? Ain't no excuse for not being the hardest worker out there. Yeah, there may be someone who is stronger than you, taller, bigger, quicker, faster, younger, whatever else you may say, but there isn't any excuse for not being the hardest worker out there, right? Okay, get out of your average zone. You are going to hate that average zone once you get out of it. Hate that average zone right now. Get out of it. If being in average zone, you are just saying that I have a weak mentality. Average zone is weak. It's just weak mentality, in other words, right? Get out of that average zone. Work hard. Get out of that average zone. Average zone isn't good. That isn't good. That average route, that easy route is never gonna pay well. It never pays well. It has never paid well to anyone who has crossed it, who took it. Take the tough road. Take the tough road. Take the hard way. Pave your way out of it. That easy route is never gonna take you anywhere. No, never. I guarantee it. It is never gonna take you anywhere. Take the hard route and work hard. You can do it. You'll achieve it, and there ain't no one stopping you from achieving your dream. So this is gonna be it for this week's video, I suppose. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. We talked about there is always a fight going on, you versus you, and you have to conquer it with good mentality. Headstrong, mentally tough, you can do it. Drop a like, comment down below, subscribe, and thank you for watching. Adios.